This 2015 Tiffin Allegro Breeze 32BR is a Class A RV. It is located in St. Augustine, Florida, 32086 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV St. Augustine. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2015 Tiffin Allegro Breeze 32BR is built on a Powerglide chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.